Have you ever considered how essential biodiversity is to our world, and how much our local communities can contribute to its preservation and enhancement? Let's imagine a landscape in which nature is encouraged to flourish, and the loss of plants and animals due to human activities is diminished or even reversed because of the voluntary actions and behaviors of the people who live here. It's a vision that our biodiversity initiative seeks to achieve by weaving together the communities of life in and around the villages of Betchworth, Brockham, Buckland, and the iconic Box Hill. It's based on a shared belief that such a vision could be achieved through informal, voluntary partnerships, alliances, and cooperation. Picture a vast landscape of diverse, interconnected habitats and ecosystems. Woodlands, grasslands and wildflower meadows, wetlands, rivers, streams, lakes, farmland, hedgerows, ditches, road verges, gardens and allotments. These habitats and ecosystems teem with life. They support a wide range of plant and animal species, safe and free to forage, find shelter, migrate and reproduce. Imagine the sense of pride and ownership that resonates among the residents of this place if, by working together, they could help nature by halting the loss of habitats and reversing the decline in biodiversity. Opportunities to help nature are provided and advertised through a website. Volunteers work with partner organizations to protect native plants, animals and habitats, restore degraded areas, improve soil health and water quality. They help preserve, restore and connect habitats or create entirely new habitats by planting native trees, sowing meadows with native wildflowers, clearing overgrown streams and creating new ponds. Gardens are a significant feature of the landscape. Through a Gardening for Biodiversity project, residents help nature in their unique ways by cultivating wildflowers for insect pollinators, building shelters or feeders for birds, or constructing new wildlife ponds. Farmers and estate managers are important stewards in this landscape. By adopting practices that balance human needs for food with the needs and activities of wildlife, they make a significant contribution to improving biodiversity and the health of soils and the environment. Scientific research by ecologists, botanists and zoologists uncovers the mysteries of flora and fauna, their interactions, and their distribution across different habitats and ecosystems. There are opportunities for students who are studying ecology to contribute through their projects or voluntary community work. New collaborations are forged with other groups involved in monitoring and campaigning on behalf of this fragile environment. In this way, the collective efforts of each group are woven together to make a bigger impact. Community members conduct surveys, record and share observations through social media to contribute to place-based research. A culture of interest, curiosity and self-education pervades the community, with nature providing inspiring opportunities for outdoor, experiential learning for young and old alike. Talks and workshops on nature, biodiversity, and sustainable practices enrich the community's understanding of how they can help nature flourish. A nature WhatsApp group provides a daily forum where experiences of nature are generously shared, appreciated, and discussed. Through these exchanges, the community inspires itself to do more. One of the most important aspects of education is how to behave in respectful and responsible ways in the countryside, recognizing and respecting the rights of the people who own and work the land, as well as the wildlife that inhabits the land. It is a privilege to access this landscape, and people must follow the well-trodden paths and behave in ways that are consistent with our countryside code. Information about biodiversity in this nature-rich landscape is available through interactive maps, leaflets, podcasts, and YouTube movies. Informative signs in the landscape highlight local flora-fauna, natural landforms, habitats, ecosystems, and conservation projects. A selection of narrated virtual tours are provided for those who cannot access the park on foot. This vision of a biodiverse landscape which people have helped create fosters a sense of pride and stewardship within the whole community. Helping nature flourish not only combats the increasing threat of biodiversity loss, but also makes a small yet significant contribution to mitigating climate change. In return, Nature contributes to the health and well-being of everyone who lives in or visits this remarkable place, both now and in the future. In summary, a biodiverse landscape is more than just a place. It is a living, breathing testimony to the power of community involvement in caring for our natural world. A celebration of life in all its forms, a tribute to the beauty and diversity of life and the ecosystems that support all life on our planet. A healthy biodiverse landscape is a testament to the fact that we are as much a part of nature as any other living thing. Our actions and behaviors can and do make a difference. So let us try to make it better, not worse. By helping nature, we are improving the conditions for life, and by realizing the power and potential in our biodiversity initiative, we are helping our community build a future that is more hospitable and sustainable for the generations to come. The 4B's Biodiversity Initiative is being facilitated by the Betchworth Charity for Nature, Environment and Sustainability, aided by a grant from the National Lottery Community Fund distributed by Transition Together. We thank National Lottery players for making this possible. We greatly appreciate the support and participation of residents and landowners, and the representatives of our parish and district councils, Surrey County Council, the National Trust, the Surrey Wildlife Trust, and the Surrey Hills National Landscape. To find out more, please visit our website.